are at the helicopter ride Dubai. The hubby wants to surprise. Well, it's no longer a surprise, but I found out last night that we were coming here this morning. So let's go and check out the incredible view. What is this thing again?
It's the Museum of the Future.
Oh my goodness, it's humongous. I don't think the video does them justice until you are seeing it in person.
You are about to experience Dubai in a way you'll never forget.
Who asked you to go book me for a helicopter ride?
I love you.
What does that have to do with me entering helicopter? I keep telling my husband I am not the adventurous type.
Do it for the fans.
Did my fans tell you they want to see me in helicopter? Do you people want to see me in helicopter? No, right? No. Why would you want to scare me unnecessarily?
Thank you. You come from Bamenda?
I come from Boya.
Boya? Okay. And Boya, is it part of the Francophone or French?
It's part of the English section.
When we got married and I said I would like surprises, did I tell you that the surprise has to be with adventurous stuff?
No comment.
It is well. My husband told me about this last night. Of course, I told him when we were discussing about coming to Dubai that I did not want a helicopter because I don't like anything that has to do with height. And then I discovered that I'm going on a helicopter ride. So, explain yourself. I didn't sign up for this. When we got married, did I sign up for a helicopter? Eh?
You signed up even for much more.
Tomorrow hides behind a distant cloud. I try to see beyond my fear and through my doubt. God, only you know what the future holds. No matter what it is, I know you're in control. This world is in your hands. I'm trusting in your sovereign plan. Oh God, my hope is in you, God. I know that you work all things together for my good. So I will stay by your side where I'm secure through every trial and every storm. And everything, my hope is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. The grass withers and the flowers fade, but your word is forever. In you, my hope will remain. God, my hope is in you, God. I know that you work all things together